Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and issue refunds on your PayPal account. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. There are only two ways to go ahead and do a PayPal refund. Once the money is already sent and the recipient has already received it, there's actually no way to go ahead and get it back unless and until you just firstly ask the recipient to send it back to you politely. If they're not going to go ahead and do that, then all you can do is simply go ahead and head into your activity tab. This is where all your transactions are going to be shown. For me, I don't have any transactions yet. It's a fairly new account. So on the transaction that you want to go ahead and report a dispute and report a refund on, simply click on report a dispute or report a problem right over here. There's going to be a button on the right hand side, and that is about it. So when you simply go ahead and click on that, it's going to give you a text box where you can simply explain it in Word. And once you go ahead and do that, your PayPal team is going to be in contact with you. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.